Our tuk-tuk broke down. Cheers. Good morning. Been a while since I've actually picked up this camera, but I thought I'd just give you like a little update because I think I last filmed at the hotel and it's been like nearly a week or so since then. Basically, we're staying in Bangkok a bit longer than we anticipated, probably like an extra week. Essentially, we had a few minor medical concerns, the odd hospital trip. Morning! Alfie's just woke up. Nothing our insurance hopefully can't cover. Today is a new day. Well, actually, technically yesterday was a new day. I'm just like introing this in because I didn't really give much context. We actually finally got to do some proper travel-y touristy things that I'd wanted to show Alfie since day one, which was the Royal Palace, the Emerald Buddha Temple, and then we got like a hop-on, hop-off boat tour to go see all the temples in that area. So proper like seeing the sights type day. Anyway, back to the vlog. Thank you if you actually still watch these. Okay, Alfie's gone to the loo, but we are in the vicinity of the temple. Perfectly. Holy hell, that was hot. Oh, Alfie's having to take his trousers off. Well, he's got shorts on. The sweat on my face. So that was like the main temple, and now we're gonna get a riverboat over to Wat Po. Or Wat Po, I should probably check that. Oh, Kapkunka. Cheyenne, of course. You won't be able to hear me. I'll do a voiceover. I'm buying some nuts. Oh, he's trying to sell Alfie beer. Don Talai, huh? 70, 70. Gotta make a living. Quite expensive for some nuts, but he did just paddle all the way over. Kapkunka! Drive me around the Anyway, just a heads up, everywhere we've gone to that's like touristy, I just stroll in for free and Alfie has to go a different way to pay. So if you're like a foreigner, you usually have to pay to get into these places, just so you know. It's like 100 baht, which is like £2. Anyway, we're at the Temple of Dawn, which is stunning. At night time, it looks like this. Sorry, you have to keep paying.
It's okay, I get it.
I love these guys. Sheesh. So here we go, here's some information. Let's read this. We just read it's called the Temple of Dawn because when the first light like comes up in Bangkok, it hits off this temple and like, oh, is it? Yes, that's what it said.
That's one of the things, but it's made the dawn because it's named after the god Arun, who was personified as the rising sun.
Yeah, I was going to get to that. Anyway, before I was rudely interrupted, they described it as pearly iridescence when the light hits it. And yes, it was also named after a Hindu god.
Arun.
Thank you for that. Great. Should I go 10 seconds? It's going. Should not have run. So you can see, you're in the way. Smile. That's the one we'll show our kids when we tell them about travelling. We just stopped for some lunch. I got some pad stew with chicken. I've already said this like 20 times already, but we are fucking boiling. So we're taking a little breather before we go to the last temple. And then I think we're gonna go for a drink after this because all is great, but just not hitting the spot we need. Also just watched Chris Rock get punched at the Oscars. That was fun.
Well, lightly slapped.
Lightly slapped, according to Alfie. Sweaty?
Yeah, look at me.
Oh. Boat number 2.
I'm on a boat and I'm looking flashing.
We found him. He's just looking directly up. We're trying to figure out, like, was he built in here and then they just built all this around him? Or like, was he transported here? Because how did they get him in here?
Ooh, another big one.
Number 3. A swanky little bar, gonna get a drink. Also, this building makes me crease every time I see it. We always call it, what do we call it? The Minecraft building.
Pixel building.
The Pixel building. It looks like it was like an unfinished project on Minecraft and I just freaking love it. Street time! Sheesh. Cheers. Anyway, look how pretty. I've already shown you that bucket.
But you're like, it doesn't matter. Like, I don't have a home right now. Like, I can stay wherever I want. I can do whatever I want.
I was catching up with this on camera. It was cute, I wanted to capture it. Another new day, we're gonna go for lunch, but quite exciting, we're also gonna go to a tattoo place because me and Alfie always said we wanted to get tattoos in Bangkok together. So we're gonna go speak to the guy. Hopefully before we leave Bangkok, I'll have my first tattoo. Okay, so I couldn't film in the tattoo place because it was just a bit weird, but we picked out some tattoo designs for a sneak peek. It was like cheaper to get loads at once rather than one at a time. So I want to get my favorite anime film ever. Also, the sound in the background is Monto. That is the office bulldog. And then Alfred's getting another woman's body. Like, I was like, can you do something to make it look like my body? But yet to agree to that. So he's got like, is it Anubis?
Yeah.
Anubis or something, some like Egyptian thing. Yeah, another woman, literally just another woman.
Pretty cool though.
But he won't get my name tattooed on him. See how fun! I'll see you there. Well, actually, I'm going somewhere else tomorrow, so I'll see you after that. We are on the way to Ayutthaya, which is the old capital when Thailand was still called Siam. By the way, I've barely said, but like the main way we're getting around is, it's like Thai Uber, it's called Grab. It's like not the cheapest way, but it's the safest way COVID-wise whilst we're still with my granny. This is the first time I'm getting the railway in Thailand, so that's kind of exciting. Woo! We just arrived in Ayutthaya. We just got a tuk-tuk for 150 baht, which is what, like 3 quid? 3 quid? To take us to like the main middle bit, but the whole like city is just different temples and ruins, so you're gonna have to pick and choose which one you go to because you can't walk them all. And the ruins are from when the Burmese invaded in like the 18th century. It's the inner historian sneaking out there. It's literally just us here, it's crazy. Dinner with a view. We've come to a riverside restaurant, which is like where you have to come in Ayutthaya.
The most expensive one is over 80.
For the big river prawn.
For the big grilled shrimp, they call it.
I got pad thai with, oh shit. Pad thai with river prawns. Oh, and you always get served these little, what's the word for trio but four? Quattro? No, a foursome? I don't know. We can see like the fishies down there. The traditional dish originated in Ayutthaya is called roti sai mai, and it is like my favourite thing ever, and it's all along the roadside. So I've just asked the tuk-tuk guy to stop while I go buy some. So it looks like this. It's literally like kind of like candy floss, but nicer. She's just let me try some. Pretty much like a pancake. It was so good. Our tuk-tuk broke down. So his friend's coming out with some more gas. So we're just chilling, watching the traffic go by. C'est la vie, c'est la vie. Okay, so this is basically the map of where we're going. We've already been to that one, which you've just seen, but we're gonna go to this one, and this one, in case you want to screenshot that for whenever you come. He never takes me seriously.
If you want to screenshot that.
I'm trying to be helpful. We're literally getting towed. Can you see like the rope attached to the other tuk-tuk? This is content for Frankie Burrows and Frankie Burrows only. Look how many bats there are. They were flying everywhere earlier, but they're not now. We just came to another one and Alfie's like, oh yeah, there's 4 bats up there. A little bit more than 4. And then, hey. Why do they look like they're getting ready to just like attack? 4 shits, fucking hell. Baby! Got hair in my mouth. I'm about to get my first tattoo. I'm shitting myself. I'm like, goodbye, Laha. I'm going. Let's go. Sawadika. So I got 4 tattoos, Daisy and Annie.
Whoa.
Annie. I got yak hen, anti sharp too soon. My car, you want to see my favorite? Long hair, she's crying. I knew she'd cry. Do you like it? So it's my granny's handwriting. I got her to write her name and my granddad's name, who's sadly not with us anymore. But yeah, she loves it. I had to have her rewrite it like 3 times because her writing was so messy, but I couldn't be sus about it. So I was like, oh, like let's just play a game and let's like see like different ways we can write. You love it?
Yes.
Yes. Now it's on me forever.
Oh.
Yeah, I can't forget. Woo! And now we're gonna go for some food. And that is all I've got for this week. Well, maybe like week and a half, I don't really know. I think the next few days me and Alfie are just gonna enjoy spending time with my family before we finally jet off to actually do the travelling. You will finally see me with a rucksack on my back, I promise you. Thank you for watching. Also, there's this pun that I really want to say, but I just don't know if it's too dad joke. It is too dad joke, but I just really want to say it. Shall I end the vlog with it? And that's a wrap.